we now embark? The only answer lies in looking at our experience. And as I look back at our high school experience, from the latest Sunday nights spent preparing for a week's worth of workload ahead, to the lunchroom conversations spent debating the editorials in that day's issue of the Blueprint, to the after-school hours spent sweating it out on the football field, or on the soccer field, or on the tennis courts, or simply standing by to cheer another one of those teams on, to the late-night hours spent by the members of TX in the theater, prepping just those last few lines for the big performance in front of the full house on the night to follow, to the 8 o'clock Saturday mornings of the mock trial team spent practicing cross-examination after cross-examination just to perfect it one more time, to the mission trips taken this past summer from anywhere from over the Rhine, Cincinnati, to the rural areas of Peru, just to make that little difference in the world in which we live. Yes, as I look back at that high school experience, I would undoubtedly forsake our arrival tonight for just another chance to travel that path.
Hey Vivek, how did you meet your wife?
It's a funny story actually. So we were both in grad school. I was in law school, it was my second year. She was in med school, she had just started. First week of classes. We meet at a mutual friend, turns out is hosting a house party. We meet there where she comes up to me and she says, "Hey, I'm Apoorva. What's your name?" And I say, "Okay, oh my gosh, this beautiful girl has come riding up to me." I said, "Hey, I'll tell you my name, I'm Vivek." And she says, "Oh, actually I just met another Vivek." And apparently I didn't like that very much. And so I turned around and walked away because I guess I wanted to be unique or something. But then we saw each other again at a grad school bar later that night. And I said, "That was that beautiful girl who came up to me earlier." I struck up the conversation and we started talking about everything from where we grew up. She had gone to high school in New York, but we'd both grown up in the Midwest. And then we discovered we lived in the same apartment building right across the street from a famous vegetarian restaurant in New Haven. And so we had our first date there later down the line.